So what's better, Google AdWords or SEO? Here at Codefixer, we tend to favour dual strategy. We believe in using both. We don't see SEO and pay-per-click as competing. What we would tend to do is we would tend to advise to run both, to use a Google AdWords strategy maybe initially to get as much traffic as possible, to get on the first page of Google as soon as possible. You know, with SEO, there's no point really investing in SEO, spending all the months and all the time and all the keyword research, when what you could do is you could just set up a Google AdWords campaign, get it up and running, find out what keywords you can get traffic for, find out whether your copy works, find out whether your landing pages work, and you can feed that all back into SEO, rather than wait 6-7 months only to find out that you're actually targeting the wrong keywords. And like I said, that your copy doesn't work, maybe your landing pages doesn't work. I can even tell you, straight away, is your product or service going to work? Google AdWords, great way to test your product service rather than having to invest in a long-term SEO campaign. We'd recommend dual strategy. Google AdWords is great. It's a great way to get traffic. It's a great way to get traffic quick, and it's a great way to test SEO. Once you've got some of that feedback from your Google AdWords, you can invest that knowledge into your SEO. Harness both Google Ads and SEO with the dual strategy. You'll definitely come out a winner.